Everything you see around you, from cars and airplanes to power plants and even household appliances, has one thing in common: mechanical engineering. In this video, let's break down what mechanical engineering is, what it covers, and why it's one of the most versatile fields of engineering. 1. What is mechanical engineering? The branch of engineering that deals with the design, analysis, manufacturing, and maintenance of mechanical systems. In simple words, it's about how things move, how energy is converted, and how machines work. 2. Core areas of mechanical engineering: thermal engineering, heat transfer, thermodynamics, refrigeration, power plants. Design engineering: CAD, machine design, FEA, product development. Manufacturing engineering: casting, machining, welding, 3D printing, automation. Fluid mechanics: pumps, compressors, turbines, aerodynamics. Materials engineering: metals, polymers, composites, failure analysis. Mechatronics and robotics: integration of mechanical plus electrical software. 3. Key skills for a mechanical engineer: problem-solving mindset, strong fundamentals in maths, physics, and mechanics. CAD tools like SolidWorks, AutoCAD, CATIA, NX. Knowledge of codes and standards such as ASME, API, ISO. Communication and teamwork. 4 applications in real life: automotive, engines, EVs, transmissions, chassis. Aerospace, jet turbines, structures, aerodynamics. Energy, thermal, nuclear, renewable power plants. Oil and gas process industry, pumps, compressors, pipelines. Medical, prosthetics, implants, medical devices. Everyday life, ACs, refrigerators, washing machines. 5. Why choose mechanical engineering? Oldest and broadest engineering discipline. Strong career opportunities across industries. Foundation for interdisciplinary fields like AI and manufacturing, robotics, renewable energy. High demand in oil and gas, automotive, aerospace, power, and manufacturing. 6. Future trends, 2024 to 25 and beyond. Generative design and AI in CAD. Electric vehicles and sustainable mobility. Robotics and automation in manufacturing. Additive manufacturing, 3D printing. Green energy systems like solar, wind, and hydrogen. However, 7. Mini quiz, audience engagement. Quick question: which branch of mechanical engineering deals with jet engines? Design, thermal, or manufacturing? Drop your answer in the comments. Top 5 interview questions and answers. 1. What is mechanical engineering? A. The branch that deals with design, manufacturing, and maintenance of mechanical systems involving energy, motion, and force. 2. Why is mechanical engineering called the mother of engineering? A. Because it covers fundamental principles, mechanics, energy, and materials that form the basis of many other engineering branches. 3. Name some core subjects studied in mechanical engineering. A. Thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, strength of materials, machine design, manufacturing, heat transfer, dynamics of machinery. 4. Where do mechanical engineers work? A. Automotive, aerospace, power, oil and gas, manufacturing, robotics, HVAC, medical devices. 5. What are the latest technologies influencing mechanical engineering? AI and machine learning in design, additive manufacturing, 3D printing, electric vehicles, renewable energy, and smart factories, Industry 4.0. Outro. And that's a quick introduction to mechanical engineering, the field that powers industries and innovations. If you're a student, professional, or just curious, this field has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 3D Decode for more engineering explained in simple visuals.